Hello friends, I am Krishna Murti. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to download profit and loss statement in HDFC Securities. Many clients told me to provide me the documents of profit and loss in PDF format or Word format. I will show you how to download the profit and loss statement in HDFC Securities in PDF format also, in Word format also. Please follow the simple step. First of all, you have to log in hdfcsec.com. Once you log in hdfcsec.com, this page will open. Click on login. Once you click on login, you have to provide your login ID. Your login ID is same as your bank customer ID, net banking customer ID. If your account is old enough, then please click on forget username, provide the details and find your username login ID. After that, if you have reset your password, please provide the password. Otherwise, click on forget password. Follow the steps and reset your password. After that, you have to provide date of birth in DD, MM, YY format. Once you provide all the details, click on login, and after that I will show you how to download the profit and loss statement. Once you log in your HDFC Securities account, you will get this dashboard. Simply you have to click on reports. In equity reports, click on profit and loss. Once you click on profit and loss, you will see all the details of your financial year transactions here. If you want to download financial year report of FY 22-23, you can download from here. If you want to download previous year financial year report, you can download from 21-22. Again previous year 2021. I will show you how to download previous year tax report, profit and loss report for 21-22. So please click on 21-22. From 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022, financial year 21-22, assessment year 22-23. If you want to download your profit and loss statement for equity purpose, you click on equity. If you download for mutual fund purpose, click on mutual funds. If you want to download for derivative purpose, click on derivative currency. You can download all the investment types from here. Please remember the taxation for equity, mutual funds, derivatives, currency, real estates, bonds will act differently. So if you want to download all the transactions in last financial year, click on all. After that, charges, with charges or without charges. Anytime if you want to download your profit and loss statement, download with charges. With charges means it is an expense for you. So always download your profit and loss statement with charges itself. Product type, either SEP or e-margin or all, you have to download from here. If you want to download all the product type like SIP, e-margin, you can click on all. Then please click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will get the details of all the asset class, either equity, or if you want to download all the asset class, click on all and click on submits. You will get the details of all the transactions in a single page. What you have to do now? Now you have to click on PDF. If you want to PDF download, you click on PDF. If you want Word download, you can click on Word. The CA will ask you either PDF or Word, depends on your CA requirement. Click on PDF. Your PDF will download it in the download sections. The password for this PDF is the first 3 letters of your name in capital letter and DD Suppose my name is Krishna Murti, KRI in capital letter. After that, DD is your password for PDF. There is no password for Word. Just click on OK. Click on Word. Once you click on Word, the download already started, and Word profit and loss statement has downloaded in your download sections. Click on download sections or show all folders, or either this is the PDF section of your type profit and loss. Click on this one. Once you click, they will ask for your password. Please put first 3 letters of your name and DD is your password. Click on submit. Once you click on submit, the profit and loss report for FY 21-22 is here. You can check, you can submit to your CA and file your taxes. First thing done, the PDF report has already downloaded. Now the Word document, go to the download section, click on your Word profit and loss statement. Once you click on Word profit and loss statement, there is no password required. You will get all the symbols, all the asset types, all the transactions what you did in last financial year here only. So you can just submit to your CA and file your income tax return for FY 21-22. The same thing you can do to download the FY 2021 report also. The same thing, you can follow the simple process. You will download your profit and loss statement from HDFC Securities in a simple way. One more thing, please download the documents of profit and loss statement after 3:30 p.m. and before 9 a.m. From 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. I think so you are not able to download this report because in market hours the profit and loss backend process is not working. So please download your profit and loss statement after 3:30 p.m. and before 9 a.m. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share. Till then, thank you.